this week at FCA. Major investment. Pacifica Award. Jeep Adventure App. All right now on FCA Replay. FCA will be investing more than $1 billion in Michigan's Warren Truck Assembly Plant, where production of the next-generation Ram heavy-duty truck will be moving from Saltillo, Mexico in 2020. The investment is one of two actions the company attributes in part to the recent passage of tax reform legislation. The plant will also see 2,500 new U.S. jobs added to support Ram heavy-duty production. In addition, some 60,000 FCA US employees will be receiving a special bonus payment. The total U.S. investment grows to more than $10 billion since 2009, with more than 25,000 jobs created to date. The 2018 Chrysler Pacifica has clinched a top spot on Car and Driver's 10 Best Trucks and SUVs in the van category for a second year in a row. In making the award, the magazine referenced Pacifica's winning functionality, versatility, technology, bold styling, and road trip-friendly fuel economy. The all-new 2018 Jeep Wrangler rolled into the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas with a host of cutting-edge technology, including an all-new, never-before-seen Jeep Adventure Reality app. The new app can configure your Wrangler in any virtual reality environment you choose. FCA US facilities in Metro Detroit kicked off their annual Mitten and Glove Drive for Mittens for Detroit, a charity whose mission is to collect, purchase, and distribute new, unused mittens and gloves to children and adults in need. In the past 3 years, FCA has collected more than 100,000 mittens and gloves. FCA looks forward to again helping warm hearts, 2 hands at a time. And that's a roundup of what's happening this week at FCA. Reporting for FCA Digital Media, I'm Dale Jewett.